I'm going to share a very powerful example of what happened with me. So हर साल नवरात्रे आते हैं and last year and before that also I kept all the 9 navratras fast, and I thought that from now I'm going to keep it every year, every navratra. But when this time the navratri came, so I was already kept on a very restricted diet, क्योंकि मेरी एक वर्कशॉप आ रही है जिसके लिए मुझे बहुत ही लिमिटेड खाना खाना है. एंड अगर मैं नवरात्रि का फास्ट रखती हूँ तो उसमें मुझे आलू कुट्टू एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स आई विल हैव टू बी टेकिंग इन, एंड आई एम नॉट सपोज टू ईट दीज थिंग्स. सो आई आस्क्ड गॉड, लिसन व्हाट शुड आई डू, बिकॉज मैंने तो बोला था कि मैं फास्ट रखूंगी, बट मैं नहीं रख पा रही हूँ क्योंकि मेरे लिए प्रायोरिटी वर्कशॉप है, और ये वर्कशॉप भी आप ही ने मुझे गाइडेंस में दी है कि मेघा ये करना ज़रूरी है. तो मैं क्या करूँ? You would not believe the answer that I got. So, आप लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे कि कैसे question answering. So basically, when you meditate, your, guides, your universe talks to you. So the answer that I got from them was this, that Megha, at any point in time in life, अगर आपको लगता है कि आपने कोई भी इसी तरीके का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन किया है, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एज इन बोला है कि मैं ऐसा करूंगी, मैं हमेशा नवरात्रों के फास्ट रखूंगी या एनीथिंग, बट किसी भी वजह से आप वो नहीं कर पा रहे हैं, देन एब्सोल्युटली ओके. You humans think like this, but in reality God doesn't think like this. You are allowed to cancel anything that you thought is good at that point in time, but later on आपको लगता है कि वो चीज़ आपके अभी के पाथ के साथ रेजोनेट नहीं कर रही है, तो you have the full choice to cancel it at any point in time. And this really changed my my perspective towards things, जो हम अपने आप को एक fearful zone में रखते हैं कि नहीं मुझे तो फास्टिंग रखनी है, मुझे तो ऐसा ही करना है. And when this thing happened, they also told me that it is not about the promise that you made to God, and it is not even about God. It is about you respecting your temple, which is your body. You know what you have to give to humanity, and as a result of which, if you are doing something, then God does not. God does not, because you have the power of God and Goddess to decide whatever you want to do. So at the same time, what they did was, they told me that, Megha, when you took this pledge, or whenever you thought कि मैं अब सारे नवरात्र रखूंगी, are you the same person that you were at that point in time? I said no, I am completely changed now. So they said that's the point. When you are not the same person, the things have changed, then why are you not changing? Why are you not allowing yourself to change the swear that you made at that point in time? So then what they did was, they asked me to keep my hand on my heart and said that I am cancelling all the contracts that I have signed or assumed consciously, subconsciously, and now it does not resonate with my soul anymore, and I am cancelling.